Everyone, here is this UEC ceiling fan made by Union. We're joined by Trent in this video too. I'm not sure if you heard that. But yeah, this fan I got with this 36-inch Mistral Bianca, the one with the label on the bottom of the motor. Yeah, these fans are quite alright. I did get the original controller for this, but it's not on it because it's missing its knob. So it's just on this DEMC for now. When you turn it on, the whole motor set does spin that way. It's quite funny. So we'll start it off on low, as you can see. It does have very fast speed, so that's the only issue with this controller. It doesn't blow too much amount of air, really. The most amount of air it blows is on high speed, and that's when you're directly under it. You can't feel it anywhere else. Now, I've always wanted a little UEC, or a UEC at some stage. But they're very hard to find. This one come from Western Australia too. So yeah, the speeds are very fast. I'm gonna have to put it on its original controller and just find a knob for it. That's a bit too fast, don't you think? It's on 3 now. Doesn't wobble now. Before the video, I did some blade straightening. Right, now speed 2. Doesn't really change much, but after this video, I'm gonna get that controller swapped out. I'm not sure what the two, and then full speed. Hasn't really changed too much. It's label. Right, and we'll turn it off and you can watch the motor set spin back. Alright, thanks for watching.